Apollo versus Hunter. Which email finder tool is best?
Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to compare Apollo and Hunter to help you decide which email finder tool is best for your workflow. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Apollo. Apollo is not just an email finder, it's a complete sales intelligence platform. It gives you access to a huge database of business contacts, along with advanced search filters that help you find leads based on job title, company size, industry, and location. One of the biggest advantages of Apollo is that you can manage outreach directly inside the platform. You can send cold emails, create automated sequences, track replies, and monitor performance without needing extra software. This makes it very useful for sales teams, agencies, and startups that want everything in one place. Apollo also includes integrations with popular CRM tools, allowing users to organize leads and scale outreach campaigns efficiently. If your goal is high-volume prospecting and automation, Apollo is designed for that type of workflow. Now, let's come towards Hunter. Hunter takes a more focused and simple approach. Instead of offering an all-in-one system, it specializes in finding and verifying professional email addresses with high accuracy. You can search emails using company domains, verify addresses before sending campaigns, and reduce bounce rates significantly. This helps improve email deliverability and protects your sender reputation, which is extremely important for cold outreach. If you want an all-in-one platform for lead generation, outreach automation, and scaling your sales process, Apollo is the stronger option. If you mainly need accurate email discovery and verification with a simple workflow, Hunter is the better choice. Choosing between Apollo and Hunter in 2026 depends on your specific needs, whether you want powerful automation or precise email accuracy. That's all for the video.